report my book about Brother John. The title is Social Giwan Grace. Once again, good evening to all of you, my beloved brethren to our Lord Jesus Christ. And before I continuing my report, I would like to take the opportunity to stand of all of you to my report about reading the booklet of Brother John. Okay. Tagalog na siyempre, pambira naman ako eh. Nahihirapan na ako eh.
Nakabidyo ka kaya?
Yung nabasa ko dyan sa book ni Brother John, may inigay siyang dalawang version na two version ng ano, sabi niya, no, text. Yung unang version na binigay niya, first version, nabubulol ako. Yung first version niya, ano ba yung ano? O mali. Kung ba yun? Bala na kayo. Tulun. Ay, correct. Yung first version ni Brother John, ganda natin yung sulat, naka-YouTube yan.
Okay lang. Makita naman eh.
Tama ba itong ano ko? Spelling ko?
Ayan.
O nauna itong A? Bago yan.
First,
Okay. Yung first version niya, sabi ni Brother John sa nabasa ko, since si Adam created God out of the dust of the ground, sabi niya dyan, si Adam ay may same power na binigay ng Diyos na kaya niya rin gumawa sa pamamagitan ng by spoken words and out of the dust of the ground, the same on Adam. Son and daughter by speech of spoken words. Yan yung unang version na binigay ni Brother John. Sabi niya, hindi nangangailangan si Adam at saka ng kanyang wife na magkaroon ng sexual intercourse. Ano mag-desire? Intercourse. Yan yung sinabi niya. Hindi nangangailangan si Adam with si Eva at si Adam neto. Kasi sabi niya, since Adam was created by God, by spoken words out of the dust of the ground, he is the same power. O sabi niya, he that same power.
same power.
The word same power, binigyan siya ng kapangyarihan pero not equal from God. Parang kay Jesus Christ lang, binigyan siya ng walang sukat. So, nung may same power si Adam, kaya niyang magbigkas ng son and daughter out of the dust of the ground. Hindi niya kailangan nito. Maging ganyan yung asawa. Ngayon, yung pangalawang version na binigay naman ni Brother John, two version, second. Yung second version niya, sabi doon, yung pangalawang version ni Brother John, parang deceive din sa first version niya. Nasabi niya, kung kaya ni Adam na magsalita ng pamamagitan ng by spoken words, ganoon din kay Eva. Nasasalita niya na magkaroon ng kids yan sa buong ni Eva at siya magiging pregnant na. At sabi niya, hindi rin niya kailangan ito. Yan, no need. Sabi niya, no need. Yan, no need for sexual between wife and Adam. So yun lang po yung aking nabasa. Gusto ko sana itang Englishin, kaya lang hindi ko siya masyado may paliwanag ng mayos next time siguro kasi wala akong practice. But I learned to practice more this week.